I'm Alex. We're gonna do Tijuca National Park. The tour, it's not conventional trip because we go hiking, walking today up one of the highest peak in Rio. That is 1,020 meters of walk. It's a long walk. I think so, more or less 3 kilometers, but in a very steep hill and very nice trail, I promise. And after that we pass for Chinese view. It's a very nice point view of the city. We have one pagoda that is a monument in Chinese. When I was young, I used to drink this water. I don't recommend, you know. Sometimes, especially after rains, you know, the mud comes together, so it's not so clean.
We're here at the top of Parrot Peak, Pico do Bico do Papagaio in Tijuca National Forest. It's extremely cloudy today, and you're not going to be able to see anything today down below us, but it was a challenging hike to get to the top here, and it's very rewarding because of the nice breeze that we're feeling here. So our good friend, our amigo novo, Alex, has taken his time to show us how to get to the top and arrive safely.
We know her, the Chinese that came here, invited by our king, Don Juan, a long time ago, to introduce the tea culture. Okay, so they start plant tea there in a botanical garden. Used to live up here the hills,